Today, you are going to learn how to find your first few products consistently. This is the keyword, consistently, because it's cool to find one product there, one product there, but at the end of the day, if you want to build an online arbitrage business, you need to be able to build some consistency. And the advice that you've been given as a beginner is to check, to do some storefront stalking, to use SellerAmp, do storefront stalking. And I'm going to tell you why it's a bad advice and why this is not what you should do and what you should do instead. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. So if you're new, subscribe, like these videos, you get recommended more videos, and let's get started. So the reason why you should not be doing some storefront stalking as a beginner, I'm not saying that you should not do it at all, but this is not what you should emphasize. The reason why is because you are going to look at random storefronts, and you should look at my videos on storefront stalking, specifically if you want to learn how to do some storefront stalking the right way. If you want to go deeper with storefront stalking and how to actually do it the right way and how to actually find consistent profit doing storefront stalking, you can get inside my group mentorship. We're not going to talk too much about that because in my group mentorship we do whole sessions just talking about storefront stalking. It's something that can take a lot of time. But as you are a beginner, the reason why storefront stalking is not going to make sense is because you do not have a great starting point. You do not have a great place to start your storefront stalking. And because of that, the storefronts that you are going to look at are trash. It's not going to be great storefront. What you should do instead is build what I call a target list. And you really have two ways to do it. I'm going to give you two options, okay? So, because yes, you can get my target list for less than $1 a day, for a little bit over $1 a day, I'm sorry. But if you want to learn how to do it, I have, and we are going to go over how to do it. But if you want to go deeper, I have a free ebook as well that teaches you the exact process that my team used to build the target list. There's a link in the description. It's my free online arbitrage sourcing course. This is what it's called. It's a free ebook. You can get it in the description. But I'm going to show you how you should go about actually creating your own target list. But and here's the thing, creating your target list every single day is going to be super time consuming. So as a beginner, yes, of course, start to build a small target list. But if you want to get something like I do have, right? Like I have hundreds and hundreds of sales to actually look at every single day. And my VA just logged in to help me to actually build a target list today, right? So if you want to get something like this, you're not going to get something like this making it yourself. It's not going to be worth your time. Does not make any sense because it's hours and hours of work every single day without fail that you will need to do. You can get mine for a little bit over $1 a day. So instead of spending 2 hours building your own target list, and we're going to look at how to use it, but instead of doing that, just go work at McDonald's, go get minimum wage, okay, for 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day, you're gonna make $16 at least. I don't know what minimum wage is. I have no idea, okay? I'm sorry, I'm out of touch with reality. But let's say it's $8, you make $16. You just need to pay $1.50 and you end up with $14.50 to profit, right? And you get my target list. So instead of wasting 2 hours of your time every single day to get something that is not going to be as good as this, just pay $1 a day and get mine. So, I mean, it's in my opinion, this is the best way to do it, you know? I mean, if you want to do it yourself, feel free to do it. Get the ebook in the description and you have everything that you need to do it. But I'm going to show you how to set it up and why you should actually do it this way. So the reason as well, and what I'm going to add, is the reason why everybody and their mother is trying to sell you on storefront stalking, whether you're on Twitter, whether you are on YouTube, is because it's the easiest thing to sell you, it's the easiest software to sell you, and they have a great affiliate program. Never trust affiliate 100%. The reason why everybody on Twitter is talking about SellerAmp is because of this. It's not because it's the best method for beginners. It is not. And I've been saying it even with my first YouTube video. Okay, if you go back on my channel, right here, more than 1 year ago, okay, this video, if you actually look at it, this is exactly what I've been saying all along. Okay, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the 10th video that I actually released, okay? But it's actually one of the first ones that I shot. I shot it before I shot these, right? So this video is exactly how to build it. And the reason why, and I said it all over, storefront stalking is not for a beginner. It is a method that is a little bit more advanced. When you start, you should actually build something like a target list. The reason why is because if you do storefront stalking, you're going to start from a random product, such as this one. You're gonna look at the sellers. You have no idea where you have no idea what a great seller is, and I know you're gonna follow the regular advice, which is to start with sellers that do not have too many reviews. You're gonna start with a guy like this with 5 reviews, and you're gonna start maybe with sellers in between 10 to 100 reviews. I don't care, but you're not going to find great products. You're going to start looking for these products. You're going to look for this product right there. All right, let's look at it on Google, and it's just going to be websites that you have no idea how you can actually manufacture your margins, because you need to manufacture your margins if you do storefront stocking, right? So you see that you need to get those two for under $10. It's going to be hard to figure it out. I mean, Blaine's Farm Fleet, whatever, you can get it, but it's going to be 1070, right? 1074. All right, more or less. So you have no idea how to manufacture your margin on this. You're going to waste a lot of time, and this is why, in my opinion, I mean, you could make it work from here. You need to learn how to manufacture your margins. I'm pretty sure that you can. I believe you can get tax exempt on that website, but it's not going to be easy for you. All right. Instead, if you actually start by building your target list every single day, and you start sourcing with your target list, it's going to make it way easier. Let me go to the more recent sales. Once again, you can get this list delivered to your inbox daily with the link in the description. If I actually go here, let me look at one of the last sale. You know, if you build it yourself, you're going to start, and you should monitor a few websites yourself when you start. For example, right there, Yankee Candle, there's a sale for up to 70% off. It's a semi-annual sale. It's a great clearance sale. Apparently, I've never really sourced Yankee Candle, but this is a place where you can actually start sourcing, and you can look at all those products. If you know that these products sell on Amazon, a lot of these are at least 50% off, such as this one, you know. So what I would do from here, okay, this is a little bit more advanced. You could do manual sourcing the dumb way and checking every single product. You have 500 products to look at, and I guarantee that you're gonna get some success. Okay, the hit rate, the percentage of profitable products that you're gonna find by doing this instead of doing some storefront stocking is going to be way higher. Okay, you're gonna find way more products by doing this. I guarantee it. Of course, myself, if I do storefront stocking today, I can find great products fast because I know exactly where to look at. You do not know where to look at. It's not the beginner sourcing method. It's going to be trash. If you start from a great sale and you manual source this great sale, you're going to find your first 2-3 products. You're not going to find your first 2-3 products, your first 2-3 great products by doing storefront stocking if you are a beginner, right? So what I would do here, of course, you can do it the dumb way. You can actually look at all those products one by one. But if, like, you know that it's a sale that have a lot of products, like there's a lot of their products on sale. So what I would do is I would go to the Keepa product finder right here, and I will look for every single product from that brand. So I would go to brand. Here we go. I would go to brand, and I will check for Yankee Candle. Here we go. Yankee Candle. I would check this out. I would make sure to get products where Amazon is not in stock most of the time. So out of stock. Here we go. Out of stock. Amazon out of stock at least 75% of the time. Boom, we have 21,000 products to look at. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to focus on the fastest selling product. That's it. Let it load a little bit. It's a little bit slow right now. Here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the products from the ones that sell the fastest. So the lavender vanilla is the one that sells the fastest right there. Can we find the lavender vanilla on sale? Let's check. Who knows? And we can get an extra 20%. I don't know if it's going to stack up with the clearance. Wait, let me see. It could potentially work. I don't know. You need to check. I've never really sourced them. But lavender vanilla. Is this the one that... Let me check. Let me double check the name. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to open it this way. And we're going to open it on Google and try to find it on Yankee Candle. All right, let's click here. And I don't know if it's this one. This is lemon lavender. So this is not the one that we want. Lavender vanilla. This is the one. Is it on sale? Let's go on yankeecandle.com. Is it on sale? Let's see. Yeah, of course, it's not bringing us to the right page, but you get the idea. You know, you get the idea. This is let me see. You can go right there on the website. This is one thing that you can do. You can either do the Keepa product finder, or you can go through every single website manual. Every single product manually on the page. Okay, let's just try to find another one. what we could do. Let's try to make it work. Actually, buy one get one 50% free. Depending on the cost, it could work or it could not work. Really depends. You don't know. You will need to check. Okay, I'm not here to give you free leads, but yeah, what you could do as well is sort it by popular, right there. And so these are more popular, so these must be popular as well on Amazon, right? So let's check for this one. Let's try to find it on Amazon for $6 instead of 24. We can potentially, if it is on Amazon, we can make it work. You know, if Amazon's not selling it. So let's check. Let's check real quick. And yeah, that's going to be, yeah, $19. It sells for $19. It's not selling super fast, but $19.99, some lake. Let's see. We never know. Yeah, there's just 3 ratings, so it's potentially not selling super fast. It's not selling fast, but if it was, let's assume that we're paying sales tax. I'm just going to make it $7. Okay, so here we go. $7 will be 128% return on investment. Is it a great lead? No, it's not a great lead because the sales rank is not that good, but we never know. Let's look at the offers. I don't know now. They are not selling, but it could be, and it used to sell at around, the sales rank was a little bit low. It was definitely selling a little bit. It was never really in stock. So that's something that you could try. I would not try this as, you know, at this price, definitely not. But at 27, it may start selling again. Who knows? Because it was selling at this price. Maybe not super fast, but it was indeed selling, you know? So this is something that you could start, not selling super fast. But yeah, that's going to be the best way to do storefront stalking, the best way to source, as a beginner on Amazon. Do not go and do a lot of storefront stalking. It's going to be a waste of time until you actually build that knowledge of sales cycle and you know where to find certain products and you know which coupon you can potentially use, okay? Because jumping from website to website as a beginner is going to get you confused, is going to get you to not be focused, not be able to find coupons, all that shit. It's not really the best way. The best way is to do this. If you want to build your own target list, great, do it. If you want to get mine, a little bit over $1 a day, get it, link in the description. That's it for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.